Alright guys, as I said morning in my Telegram channel, here you can see around 9:26 a.m. So I told that Bank Nifty I'm looking for buy, given level means I'm looking for buy after giving a pullback, or if price goes up and pull back, or goes up pull back, that is my buy opportunity, this line. So we are using standard deviation. So let me show you standard deviation level first. Now let me remove and let me put today's opening point where market opened today. Just a minute. And I can see price of opening price 43793. Let me put here 4379. Uh, sorry, 43793. All right, so once I place, so automatically here showing some level. This is 0.25, 0.5, 1 standard deviation, 1.25, and 1.5 standard deviation. All right. So how exactly we identify entry point? As I said, morning that was level. So this is a 0.25 level upper side, and 0.5 and the sorry, 1 standard deviation or that one. So today price goes near 0.5 standard deviation because of low momentum. So let me show you here uh, why we enter. So first, let me show you in a one screen. So first, this one 15-minute chart, and the price exactly open somewhere there. This is opening price. So I'm not giving this lower standard deviation. All right. So next candle, here I can see first candle they form a bullish. So that is why we are looking for buy. So means once form a bullish candle, so color doesn't matter. Bullish candle, so next candle we are looking for buy after giving a pullback, and we exactly enter before take this rally. All right, so that is my rule. So now we can see first, so that was outside from Bollinger Band, so that is where I entered, and exactly here, just a minute. Okay, all right, so we enter here in this level, and that was my 0.5 standard deviation level. All right, so we booked our profit by taking only somewhere here I entered 40 or 51, 60 points. Yeah, that was 71 or something, like I just closed around 60 points. All right, so that was my closing point. So why I'm not holding my position somewhere here? So here I can see that was upper boundary. So once price retest this level again and again, it is a probability to pull back near uh, a lower boundary. So now you can see here, so that was price was holding above that one. So later on again drop. So it's a market behavior. And let me show you my entry point. Left hand side, this one 15-minute, and this one 1 minute chart. So let me show you. Okay. So first, my rule is here. Let me show you. So here I can see this 15-minute chart. So once here I can see next candle close and price drop to this level, and again price little bit goes up, again drops. So next here I can see this candle here. They form a bullish candle. So later we exactly enter after breaking this level somewhere here, this level. So first candle bullish, second candle we was looking for buy after giving a pullback, but price goes up a little bit. We are not interested first. So next they form a red candle. So later we enter here. So exactly in this area. So why we are not entering in this level, in this bullish candle, in this bullish candle? Because here I have not seen any pattern, chart pattern. All right, price goes up again, pull back, goes up, like that one. Price goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back. goes up, pullback, goes up, like that. They are running, so they are not forming any pattern. So later here I can see price was running like that, right, like that, and finally they broke this resistance line. All right. So once they break this level, so we booked a profit near one, sorry, zero point 0.5 standard deviation. All right, zero point 0.5 standard deviation level. That was okay. So let me show you when where price hit in this area. So once we enter, price goes up again, pull back, we hold our position, and here you can see price was rejecting again and again this area. So it's a clear pattern. Price was rejecting again and again, and finally they break this area. So that is why we enter. And later on here you can see, okay, price triggered our profit target in this area. So later we have seen some bearish pattern also, but we are not interested to take sell to take we are not focusing on the downside. So as I said earlier that we are looking for buy only. So next we was looking for buy, but most of the people are thinking, hey, can I go for buy here, forming a bullish candle? No. Why? This candle still middle of this range. That is the upper boundary and this one lower boundary. Have you seen? So later here you can see price are there, and finally this candle. Have you seen this candle hit this level? Okay. So let me show you in a 1 minute chart what type of pattern they are forming. Here I can see. Okay. So first in this area, have you seen? First this one they're forming a head and shoulder pattern above this area. So first goes up, pullback goes up, pullback goes up, and that is a head and shoulder pattern. So somewhere here, entry point, so middle of this range. So I'm not able to enter. Again, price pullback, form a pin bar, goes up like that, like that. So I think you people know what type of pattern they are forming in this area. And finally, we enter here and hit this target. All right. So now I can see why we entered in this area. So here I can see that that was a bullish candle. So once they form a bullish candle above this lower boundary, so we was looking for buy, right? So next in this candle, it triggered our buy order somewhere here. So we use limit order above this area and exactly triggered our limit order and goes up and hit this level. Why this level is important? So first you can see this one 0.5 standard deviation level. All right, and this one 0.25 standard deviation. So most of the time I'm not using this one. So today market is low momentum and price not able to sustain above this 1 point, sorry, zero point 0.5 standard deviation. So that is why I'm using this standard deviation to take a buy position. So after giving a correction, exactly here lower boundary and 2.5 standard deviation are confirming us. So basically, I was looking for buy after hit this level, but today's momentum was very low. So that is why I was waiting for forming a pattern. So finally, uh, here I can see they form a pattern. So you can say like that price goes up, like that, and then finally break this level, and then we enter somewhere here. All right. So tomorrow, let me explain for the tomorrow. Tomorrow, so I'm looking for buy. Just a minute. This one. Okay. Uh, mm, okay. So here I can see above this level. Let me change the color. Above 437. Sorry, 43783. Above this level, I'm looking for buy. All right, so price open a gap up or whatever, doesn't matter. Price goes up, pull back. If they form any pattern somewhere here after giving a correction near standard deviation, whatever, so we are looking for buy. All right. So if price break this level, we are looking for short. So this is the level for tomorrow. and above this level we are looking for buy only. If price goes up, we will wait for a pullback, and we will wait for a pattern. So once form this pattern, so any pattern, chart pattern, so definitely we'll go for buy. So once price break this level, so directly I enter here. If price opens somewhere like that and break this level, so definitely I'll go for uh, I'll go for food buying, or in a sorry, you can say like the call selling, whatever. All right. So basically, to move premium will be very less. So definitely, I'll go for food buy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for giving your valuable time.